Hello my dear students, already in the previous video I have given a lecture regarding the passive voice in interrogative sentence, but in today's class I will discuss the pros and cons regarding the passive voice in our declarative sentence, also called assertive sentence or statement. First of all, if you get any declarative sentence, you have to keep in mind some rules. First of all, you have to recognize the tense. Okay, then object will be subject and the subject will be object. For example, if you get simple present or present indefinite any sentence, tense related sentence, for example, I play cricket, I eat rice, I drive a car. So all these are the examples of present indefinite simple present. Then apply the rule object plus imager plus B3 plus by plus subject. But keep in mind, you know well that simple present tense or present indefinite active rule is subject plus B1 plus object plus others. But in passive, you have to keep in mind object plus imager plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I play cricket, but in passive it will be cricket is played by me. I listen to beautiful music. Beautiful music is listened to by me. So keep in mind that all the time, according to a rule, object plus imager plus B3 plus by plus subject, it is not all the time, it is not working. Sometimes preposition changes. For example, if I say Ram marries Sita, Sita is married to Ram. I know you, you are known to me. Your behavior shocks me, I am shocked at your behavior. So all the time, by is not working. Okay? But commonly we can remember that object plus imager plus B3 plus by plus subject, it is the passive rule of simple present tense or present indefinite affirmative rule. Okay? And negative node will come. Secondly, present continuous active rule is subject plus imager plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. But in passive you have to keep in mind object plus imager plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I am playing cricket. In passive, object plus imager plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject means I am playing cricket will be the answer will be in passive. Cricket is being played by me. Okay, I am driving a car is being driven by me. Now present perfect, active rule subject plus has plus B3 plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus has have plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I have caught a fish. But in passive, you have to apply the rule object plus has a plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. Then the answer will be I have caught a fish has been caught by me. A fish has been caught by me. Now, present perfect continuous tense. In some of the books, the rule is not available, but you can apply object plus has been or have been plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, if I say, already you know the active rule, subject plus has a plus be plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. I have been reading since morning. But you have to keep in mind that in the case of passive, you have to apply the rule object plus has been or have been plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I have been reading English since morning. Okay, now the answer will be in passive, English has been being read by me since morning. Okay, now past indefinite, active rule subject plus B2 plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus was were plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I killed you. In passive, the passive rule object plus was were plus B3 plus by plus subject. Then the answer will be you were killed by me. I ate rice. Rice was eaten by me because the passive rule is object plus was were plus B3 plus by plus subject. But you have to keep in mind that by is not everywhere. Sometimes it changes. For example, your behavior shocked me. I was shocked at your behavior. Clear? Now past continuous active rule subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. I was playing cricket. I was driving a car. But in passive, object plus was being or were being plus B3 plus by plus subject. Okay? Then if I turn into passive, I was driving a car was being driven by me. Okay, now past perfect active rule subject plus had plus B3 plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus had been plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I had done the work and the passive rule is object plus had been plus B3 plus by plus subject, then the work had been done by me. Clear? I had caught a fish had been caught by me. Okay, so perfect means been will come. But in continuous, being B-I-N-G will come. Okay. Now past perfect continuous tense active rule subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. But in passive rule, object plus had been or have been plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I had been playing cricket. So the answer will be the cricket had been, being, first being B-double-E-N, then being B-I-N-G, played by me. Now future indefinite, you have to keep in mind that active rule is subject plus B1, shall will plus B1 plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus shall be or will be plus being plus shall be or will be plus B3 plus Y plus subject. For example, I will play cricket or I shall play cricket. You know already that I or we, then shall is used, you know already. But in present time, will can be used everywhere. I will or I will. Okay? But already you know this will is used after I and we to express one kind of determination. But in present time, we can normally use I will or we will. Okay? However, I shall play cricket, its passive will be, the cricket will be played by me. Because the passive rule is object plus shall be or will be plus B3 plus object, B3 plus by plus subject. Okay, now future continuous, active rule is subject plus shall be or will be plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus shall be or will be plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. Although it is not available in every book, but some of the books you will get these rules. Okay, for example, I shall be playing cricket, cricket will be being played by me. Now future perfect, active rule subject plus shall will plus have plus B3 plus object plus others. But in passive, object plus shall have been will have been plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I shall have done the work. I shall have done the work. The work shall have been done by me. Okay, he will have completed the task. The task will have been completed by him. Okay. Now future perfect continuous tense, the same thing. Active rule subject plus shall have been will have been plus shall have been or will have been plus verb plus ing plus object plus others. But in active passive rule you have to keep in mind that object plus shall have been will have been plus being plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I shall have been reading English since morning. So if I say another way, I shall have been reading English. English shall have been being read by me. Okay, this is the rule. Now in modal auxiliary, if you get any modal auxiliary active sentences, for example, I can do it, I have to do it, I should obey my parents, then apply the rule. Okay, object plus modal plus be plus B3 plus by plus subject. This is the rule. If you get any modal auxiliary affirmative sentence, then apply the rule. Okay, object plus modal plus be plus B3 plus by plus subject. For example, I can play cricket. Cricket can be played by me. I ought to do the work. The work ought to be done by me. He used to play cricket. The cricket used to be played by him. Okay, so this is the rule. Now another one is written object. Written object means if any sentence has two objects, in passive one object will be subject and one object remain unchanged. This is called written object. For example, Ram has given me a chocolate. So me is object, indirect object, and a chocolate is direct object. Now, if I turn the sentence into passive, Ram has given me a chocolate, then the answer will be a chocolate has been given to me by Ram, or I have been given a chocolate by Ram. Both are right. This is called written object. For another example, Sir gave me a book. A book was given to me by Sir, or I was given a chocolate by Sir. Thank you.